The HOROW N30 is more about giving people the look and core experience of a smart toilet without all the extra complexity and costs that normally come with one of those high-end models. But let's talk about pros and cons here. After using the HOROW N30, I think the biggest advantage is how simple this whole upgrade was. That's a huge plus. It looks way more expensive than it actually was. You still get that sleek, smart toilet design that completely modernized this space, and you know what? The fact that it doesn't need that power is the only reason I've got a smart toilet in this space in the first place. So if that's you and you don't want to deal with all the complicated electrical stuff for your toilet, this is something you should strongly consider. Because with that built-in bidet feature most people actually care about, that posterior wash, the feminine wash, the dual wash ones, and that adjustable water pressure, I like that they included things like the additional hygiene things like the nano glazed surface and the self-cleaning nozzle, because it really helps maintain this long term. But we do need to talk about some cons. Compared to a fully electric plug-in smart toilet, like say the HOROW T38P, there are definitely some features that are missing on this. For one, there's no heated seat, no warm air dryer, no automatic lid going up and down. There's also no remote control and no nightlight. There's also no instant warm water features either. So if you want that full luxury smart toilet experience with all the extra bells and whistles and tech features, then something like the T38P that I previously reviewed is a more premium option and something you should consider. But if you mainly want the modern look, the built-in bidet cleaning, the easier installation, and avoiding electrical work altogether, I think that the N30 hits a really practical middle ground.